Hey, I'll be again, but nice. And looking at the background of the seat there. Happy birthday, boards. See them boards when she found the head, I'm gonna see boards, see there. Boards and other things, see that's alright, that's a yeah, me. Oh, NES Boards, Kelly, that I be, aka. Anyway, if I don't want to get the other thing, you see right now, may I tell you something nice. But you may feel tell you see the car stealing thing, Virgin. All the thief, man. Yo, if I don't want to get the other thing right now, it come like say the most here thing, the most popping up things. For the thief car, we call it the car man. Guess away. Maybe you don't want guess. No one of this, forget it. Greater Portmore. When the man thief car, the man go, Greater Portmore. See? Alright. Next special, next destination for them thief things, Mona. You know what Uptown, you can't keep nothing safe for Mona. They just go out there, they just take, they just pick up. See? I not see nobody a thief to care like get her, like get up people smart. What I say? Get up people will not steal nobody care because them no gunshot for them. So them nah do that. See? Now the popular place for your car end up at there, your car get stolen. If you have a links, So here the car, your car either go end up a man to go be. End up a Savannah Lamar. Man to go. And for some strange reason. See? Your car gonna end up right in a Spain. Because I explain to her. So we don't know if the police are gonna deal with it or insurance. They come like them don't want to deal with it. They love when people thief people car. But right away though, boy, you might be next, You might be next, so you have to just secure your car. You know what I mean? You know, my little old piece of jalopy where don't get in my little plate. When I have to know my live, when I know my live already, so stop ask. Stop email and ask where Bones live. Or all know where Bones live. Okay. Alright. So when me do it, when me name I tell her that the Bridget car we be nice right I know. Yeah, family. No the bother with it. Popcorn the artist, big up your status, big up yourself. They have other artists that about for that compare their popcorn they have bring. See? But we just tell you the truth, Rasta. When the man them come, the man them just take things out of the place. Mobi next set of thief that Mobi. Or just scam, or just thief, or just unscrupulous. Big word, yeah, big word. Stop it, enough it, stop it. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy myself and open my little earth strong and big land feet. Can't believe this. Well, it's a complicated thing. Today, put it away there. Yeah. Me there one more here. Yeah. So me just tell you. Enjoy yourself. Big up on yourself. And you see car thief out of it. Stop it. Stop the car stealing thing. Me not tell you no more out of it. Stop it. And something I gonna reach you. Yeah, this is me, Bones, aka Skelly. I'm out of here.